This lead engine, the 2590, was bought new. Never ran a day in its life because the motor was defective. This is one of those new Ather and Genesis units, which I have two others exactly like it. One a standard cab and another a safety cab. They ran good except for this one engine. Now, today is the first time it's ever turned a wheel in its life on this layout. Oh great, I forgot the Pepsi can was the layout. And here's the 2590 with the 2012 right behind it, pulling a short trailer trim. Putting a brand new motor in this. Came from a Bachmann-8, and boy, she's got some kick to her. A little noisy, but some kick.